From humble beginnings to becoming one of the most successful and influential musicians of our time, today we'll be diving deep into the life of the one and only John Legend. Get ready to be inspired by the remarkable journey of this multi talented artist who has not only made an impact in the entertainment industry, but also in the lives of many. Welcome to the Luxury of the Day, inspiring you to unlock your billionaire potential. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the life and career of John Legend. From his early life and struggles to his rise to fame, we'll cover it all. So if you want to learn more about this incredible artist and how he became the man he is today, make sure you stay tuned. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our inspiring content. Early years. John Roger Stephens was born on December 28, 1978 in Springfield, Ohio. He had a talent for music from a young age. He started playing the piano when he was 4, and when he was 7, he joined a church choir. Even though John had to deal with a lot of problems, his undeniable talent and determination helped him build a successful career in the music industry. Education. John attended North High School in Springfield, Ohio at the age of 12 after skipping 2 grade levels due to his exceptional academic skills. He finished as salutatorian of his class 4 years later. John won the McDonald's Black History Month Essay Challenge when he was in high school, writing about his ambitions to become a successful musician. Legend's rise to fame continued while he was a student at the renowned University of Pennsylvania, where he was the president and musical director of the Counterparts, a co-ed jazz and pop a cappella group. John started producing, composing, and recording his music after graduating with a degree in English, with a focus on African American literature, graduating magna cum laude. Career. In the early 2000s, John Legend's meteoric rise to stardom was ignited when he crossed paths with then up-and-coming hip-hop sensation Kanye West. With a newfound stage name and a burning ambition, Legend dove headfirst into the creation of his debut album, Get Lifted, which hit the shelves in December 2004. Garnering widespread critical acclaim, this musical gem propelled him to win the Grammy Award for Best R&B Album in 2006. From that moment on, there was no stopping Legend as he continued to conquer the charts with sensational albums like Once Again and Bigger Love. Along with this thrilling journey, he has collected an impressive array of accolades, including 11 Grammy Awards, an Academy Award, and a Golden Globe Award. Cementing his status as a trailblazer, Legend made history as the first black man and second youngest person to clinch the elusive EGOT, the Emmy, Grammy, Oscar, and Tony, a true statement of his remarkable talent and enduring legacy. Personal life. John Legend's personal life has also been filled with love and happiness. In 2006, he met his future wife, model Chrissy Teigen, during her appearance in the music video for his song Stereo. The couple married in 2013 and have since welcomed 3 children, Luna, Miles, and Esti. All 3 were conceived through in vitro fertilization. Despite facing challenges and heartache, such as the loss of the 3rd child, Jack, who was stillborn, John and Chrissy have remained strong and supportive of each other. We hope you're enjoying learning about John Legend's incredible journey so far. We'd love to know which part of his story has inspired you the most. So please take a moment to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Now let's get back to the main topic. Net worth. This multifaceted artist has amassed a staggering net worth of $100 million as of 2023, and it's easy to see why. Mr. Legend has truly earned his fabled status, from his velvety voice that has serenaded millions, to his exceptional songwriting prowess, not to mention his keen entrepreneurial spirit. He's not only won a staggering number of awards, including 12 Grammys, an Academy Award, and a Tony, but he's also created a name for himself as a philanthropist, pouring his heart and resources into causes close to his heart. Mention. In 2020, John and Chrissy bid farewell to their longtime Hollywood Hills residence and embarked on a new journey, settling into a jaw-dropping Beverly Hills palace. With a price tag of $17.5 million, this 10,700 square foot sanctuary is nothing short of spectacular. Expertly crafted by luxury aficionados JB Builders, the property showcases 24-foot ceilings and resort-worthy landscaping along the motor court, making it a true masterpiece of design and elegance. As you explore the home with lavish interiors, you'll discover 7 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, culminating in the pièce de résistance, a palatial upstairs master suite that is the epitome of luxury living. For those who can't resist a sneak peek into the couple's extravagant lifestyle, simply head over to Chrissy's Instagram. She frequently shares glimpses of their breathtaking home, providing a window into the glamorous world of John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. John Legend and Chrissy Teigen have left their Manhattan Nolita penthouses again, making news. These superstar lovebirds sold their exquisite gems at 374 Broome Street, bought in 2018 and 2020, for $9.02 million and $7.7 million, respectively. This fabulous couple's $18 million listing makes one ponder what exciting new adventures await them. These luxurious homes feature a 3,300 square foot rooftop patio on the 5th and 6th levels. The magnificent great room's 12-foot ceilings, cozy gas fireplace, and state-of-the-art sound system with a 133-inch projector screen will captivate you as a private lift takes you there. The kitchen, with its high-end appliances and custom cabinetry, is stunning. The private roof patio, heated bathroom floors, and custom wine cellar make these penthouses even more luxurious. Car collection. John Legend's car collection may be small, but it certainly packs a punch with a diverse lineup of high-end vehicles. The Grammy Award-winning musician's collection features a Tesla Model S, showcasing his passion for environmentally friendly and electric automobiles. Legend's impressive assortment also includes a mix of SUVs, sedans, and electric vehicles, such as a luxurious Cadillac Escalade, complete with a 6.2-liter V8 engine and a price tag of $76,295. Another gem in his collection is a Porsche Taycan, Porsche's first-ever electric vehicle series. With a range of 207 to 288 miles and a starting price of $82,700, it perfectly complements the 5th-generation Lexus LS, boasting a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine and a price tag of $76,000. Though not as extensive as some celebrity car collections, John Legend's passion for both vintage and modern vehicles and his commitment to eco-friendly transportation are evident in his remarkable automotive lineup. As we come to the end of our journey through John Legend's inspiring life and career, it's clear that his talent, determination, and passion have made him a true icon in the entertainment industry. With his incredible achievements and loving family, John Legend is undoubtedly an inspiration to us all. Thank you for joining us today at Luxury of the Day, where we aim to inspire you to unlock your billionaire potential. If you enjoy learning about John Legend and his remarkable story, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video with your friends. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue providing you with more incredible content. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, the sky's the limit.